Today, I'll walk you through how to create a sign-up form in Brevo, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your own sign-up form so you can effectively gather leads and grow your audience. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Brevo login page. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for Brevo in your browser. Once you're on the login page, you'll see the option to sign in with Google. This is a quick and convenient way to access your account. Just click on that option. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Brevo dashboard. Here, look for the marketing section on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to reveal more options. This is where you'll find the tools you need to create your form. Next, click on Forms. This will take you to the Forms Management section where you can see any existing forms you might have. To create a new sign-up form, click on the Create Sign-up Form button. This action will initiate the form creation process. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. Now it's time to create your form name. This is an important step as it helps you identify your form later on. Enter a name that reflects the purpose of the form and then proceed by clicking on Create Form. You'll now enter the design phase. Here, you can customize your form to match your branding and style. Take your time to set up your form design. This is your chance to make it visually appealing and user-friendly. Once you're satisfied with the design, click on Next to move forward. The next step involves choosing your contacts list. This is where you decide which list your new signups will be added to. After selecting the appropriate list, click on Next again. Now you'll need to set up your email confirmation. This is a crucial part of the sign-up process as it ensures that new subscribers confirm their interest. Choose a template for your confirmation email by clicking on Select a template. For simplicity, you can choose the default template Simple Confirmation. Once selected, click on Next to proceed. Continue clicking Next through the subsequent steps until you reach the final stage. Here you'll see the option to click Done. This will finalize your sign-up form. Congratulations! You can now download a QR code or copy the HTML code to embed the form on your website. This will allow you to start collecting sign-ups right away. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.